with this hairstyle. So if this is something you are interested in, please keep on watching. So for look number one, of course, this is number one, which is a part in the middle and the hair fluffed up to the side. And then for look number two, we're gonna go in with this little, I don't know what you wanna call it, clamp, and put half of the hair up to the side, like this. And clamp it down. And then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and pin this part down here. So, hold on 1 second. So, this is look number two. And then for look number three, we're just gonna pull it all up in a ponytail. We're gonna go in with this elastic band and pull everything up in a high bun, like so. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around. So it's gonna be a top bun at the top, like a top knot bun. Go in with a bobby pin to secure it down. And here we have look number three. And this one is good just to go out, hang out with your girlfriends, or go have lunch or brunch. Alright guys, so those are my three looks that I have for you today with this synthetic curly wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and it's called Omani in the color 1B. I'm absolutely obsessed with this hair. It looks so natural and so real, but yet it's synthetic. And by the way, this wig is by Sam's Beauty. You can still curl it up to 400 degrees. But it gets very tangly if you don't take care of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when